I think we got it. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me. Thank you for tuning in to this video. I've been getting a lot of love on this hairstyle and a lot of you have been requesting a video on how I did it, so here we are. Before we start the video, there's a couple things I want to say. I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need so y'all can get that together and we could do this together, right? And also, this hair is definitely a hairstyle you have to play with. It's not going to be perfect on the first try. I was literally just playing around with this and that's how I came up with this hairstyle. So don't beat yourself up if it doesn't come out perfect on the first try. You just have to play with it, take your time, and it's just a fun hairstyle, to be honest. It's easy, but it's fun at the same time. So yeah, those are the two things I want to say. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this video, anything that I did or I wasn't clear about, drop the comment below. I will definitely reply to you guys. Anyway, so let me stop rambling and get this video started. Before you grab your stuff, this is what you need to do. Get your hair up in a high bun. Y'all, I hate my hair in a high bun because I feel like I look crazy. My head already big. I feel like I look crazy right now. But anyway, get your hair in a high bun. Sleek your entire head down with edge control, whatever you use for your hair. I use the Green Bottle Eco Styling Gel. Lay your baby hairs if you're a baby hair person, and then I would say with the bun, try to get it as close to the front of your head as possible. This is the closest I could have got, child. Like, I'm not good with high buns. As I said, I'm not really a high bun person, but just get your hair in a sleek high bun close to your forehead as possible. Baby hairs on fleek. Do that before you start working on anything. The first thing you will need now is the wig. You guys, I have a video of this wig. I literally made this wig in a bob. I cut bangs into it in the front right here. You guys, I'll put the link at the top or something. You'll see pop up on the screen to how I customized this wig. Again, this is just a bob wig that I had just thrown around. I do whatever I want with this wig. So that's the type of hair that I use for my bun and the bangs. The bun and the bang is one wig. Let me say that again. The bun and the bang is a wig. One wig. Maybe you could try a long wig. I don't know how you do the bangs with that, but a short wig like a bob, you could definitely try this hairstyle with. This hair reached me like on my shoulders or so that's about the length that I use. Then you're gonna need a hair tie. I recommend getting a thick fluffy one like this. I got this from Forever 21. I could try to find a link for y'all and link it below in case you want to go cop this one. Yeah, get like a stretchy fluffy hair tie because you want to hide where the wig goes around the bun and your hair. Like when you put it over, this covers all the mess and stuff. Y'all will see later, but you're gonna need this. You're gonna need a pack or a couple black hair ties just to secure the wig on your hair, and you know, you're gonna need a couple of these. You're gonna need a curling wand. This is about the size that I use. Trying to show y'all a better look at what it looks like. This is the size of the curling one that I use to curl the bangs at the front. You could probably try using a flat iron, which I feel like it'll be hard to use a flat iron. This will just be way easier. You just wrap it around, hold it for a little bit, let it go, the curls are there. Because it's not like tight curls. If y'all see the picture, it's like loose curls, right? If you don't have a wig, I would probably try like a pack of hair or something. It would probably be hard to do the bang with that. Honestly, I don't know what to tell y'all. This was really like I came up with this style on the fly. So if you don't have a bob wig, you could try getting a pack of hair. Tell me how that goes because I never tried it with that. Anyway, so let's actually get into doing the hairstyle. So I got my wig here. It doesn't have any product in it, nothing at all. I literally just washed it, let it air dry. So again, this is my bob wig. Now I'm gonna grab the front of the wig, which is right here, and that's how I'm gonna place it on my head. Like I'm gonna put the wig on. So put the front of the wig like at the front of your bun. It looks like a ponytail. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This initially what I was gonna do, use it as a ponytail, but I was like, we're gonna do a bun. So the front, put it like at the front of your bun. Then I'm literally going to get a piece from the front. Looks like a piece like this from the front. And I'm gonna tie it or wrap it a little bit and then tie it around the bun to kind of like secure the wig. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm about to wrap the wig. It's still not 100% secure yet, keep that in mind. So now I'm about to wrap the wig around. I'm wrapping it. And the way I wrap it is like the end of the wig falls right at the center of my head, like right here. So it's like just a little bit to the side, but it's like close to the front. So let's put a little hair tie over this so it also secures this. All right, y'all, my bun is looking nice. Now the part that I want to make sure is in the front is the end of the hair, like this part. So it's not like tight in the hair tie that I put over the hair, so that's okay because we're going to pull it out anyway. Now I'm going to leave this part, turn it a little bit, and put my scrunchie over this. That's that. So y'all see how like it's coming together? Y'all get what I'm trying to do here? Y'all get it? Y'all see how it's coming together? Now it's time to pull out the pieces for the bang. So kind of just grab the end of the hair and like just pull it. Your bun will be okay. Don't worry about it. Just pull it. And y'all get the idea now. Like, don't worry about the bun. I promise you it will fall in place. Everything will fall in place. As long as the bun don't fall off your head, you're good, okay? You can pull. I'm really like pulling this, y'all. So y'all can really pull it as tight as you want. Because the bun, you could play with the bun later. Y'all see how like right here it looks a little spacey compared to over here? I'm gonna pull, like spread the hair out a little bit. Like spread it out so it doesn't look as bad when I start curling it, you know what I'm saying? This is about where my bang stops when it's straight. That's not bad. I don't really want the bang to like cover my eyebrows too much. It's up to you if you want that. The best way to make, like, give your bang a little bit more length is to bring your bun further to the front. Y'all get it? The closer to the front it is, the longer your bang will be. All right, so grab your wand curler, and I normally like curl it outwards like this. Ooh, I hope I don't burn my fingers. I normally curl it outwards. All right, this is what it's looking like. Now I'm about to comb it out and see what this bang is looking like. Okay, I think I want my bang to be a little bit more on my forehead, so I'm just gonna pull it. Y'all see that? I really yanked that bun. And I know the bun looking crazy, y'all. It's okay. We gonna use some bobby pins or something to like tuck it and make it look cuter, but we weren't about the bangs right now. I looked at myself like off camera, and this piece, I think this piece just needs to go. Like, I think it's just too much hair, so we're just gonna wrap this underneath this, tuck it, whatever. So I took this off just to take a look at my bun. And I'm gonna like put it over to like smooth it down, because I think just using bobby pins ain't gonna work. So let's do that. See, it looks way better, period. It looks way better. And then you could like pull some hair out to give the bun, you know, make it look a little bit bigger. I think it's way better this way. I feel like my bangs is slanted that way, so we gonna have to like bobby pin this side down, cause I guess my bun is pulling super tight. So let's bobby pin this side down to make the bang like the same level. Let's curl this one in, like just the tip of it. I think we got it. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope it looked like it did in the video on Instagram. I try my best to do the exact thing. Again, the bangs, you literally just play with them, do your own thing. The curls are loose. Y'all seen the size of the one curl that I used, so that's definitely helpful. I literally had to play around with this. As y'all can see the entire video, I had to fix, redo the entire video, but it's cute when it's finished, right? So thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate the love you guys been showing on this hairstyle on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at you.betta. If you want some exclusiveness on outfits, hairstyles, stuff like that, I definitely post most of my stuff on Instagram first. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys like this hair, drop a heart below. Let me know y'all rocking with it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.